is facing for me. Back to the time when the West was won, around 1843. When times were hard and life was cheap, and problems were solved with a gun. Because some men got to do what the men have to do. That's right. I've seen them come and I've seen them go. I've seen them rise and I've seen them fall. I've seen them weak and I've seen them strong. I've seen them short and I've seen them tall. I felt the light and I felt the dark. I walked the road through the darkest night, thrown away through darkest night. I've seen the earth baptized in blood. Billy was rode a handsome man, drifting from town to town, looking for thrills and down retreats, and pushing his way around. All eyes that on the farm, he was a family man, working the seasons round. Married to me, half his age, for a son the best things down. There was a diamond, no gold in her. She was the prettiest girl around. Billy set his eyes on that beauty. He was not the man to turn down. All Isaac saw, all Isaac knew, that Billy Conn, for what was due. I looked my father right in the eyes and watched him reach for his gun behind. Billy was great, thinking I let him. They loved me to combat all every day. Billy was strong, but my father was proud. The one man felt the brown hair. I've seen the girl baptized in wine. No place to go, no place to hide. It's you and I. No place to go, no place to hide. No place to go, no place to
Los Saxos del Averno. Muchísimas gracias. Miguel Benito Pérez, Xavi Antonia, Adrián Costa, Albert Carríguez, Diego Jiménez y un servidor. Ha sido un gustazo tornar para vosotros. Gracias.